Have you ever heard of a mystery so strange, so chilling, that even the most experienced investigators were left speechless? This is the story of Gareth Williams, a man whose life was filled with secrets and whose death became one of the most baffling unsolved cases in modern history. In August 2010, Gareth Williams, a 31-year-old British intelligence officer working with MI6, was found dead in his London apartment. But it wasn't just the fact that he had died, it was the way he was discovered that sent shockwaves around the world. His body was found locked inside a large red sports bag, placed in the bathtub of his flat. The bag was zipped shut from the outside, and not a single fingerprint, his or anyone else's, was ever found on the bag, the padlock, or even the bathtub itself. How could a man lock himself inside a bag without leaving any trace? Was it even possible? That was the first question investigators asked. Some suggested that Gareth might have been practicing an escape routine or indulging in a bizarre hobby. But experts tested the theory, and almost all agreed it was practically impossible for someone to zip themselves up and lock the bag from the outside. And so the mystery deepened. Who would have wanted Gareth dead, and why? To understand that, you need to know who he was. Gareth was no ordinary man. He was a math genius, recruited by MI6 for his exceptional skills in codebreaking and intelligence. His work often involved analyzing highly classified information, some of it linked to national security and counterterrorism. According to reports, he was also working closely with the United States NSA, dealing with matters that most people could never imagine. Some investigators believed his death was no accident. They suspected that Gareth might have uncovered secrets too dangerous to be exposed, or perhaps he himself had become a target in a deadly game of espionage. Was he silenced by foreign spies? Or even betrayed by someone within his own agency? But the mystery doesn't end there. The apartment where Gareth lived was known to be a so-called safe house for intelligence officers. Yet strangely, when his body was discovered, there were no signs of forced entry, no struggle, and no evidence of an intruder. It was as if the killer or killers had walked in and out without leaving the faintest trace. Even more bizarrely, MI6 failed to report Gareth missing for an entire week. His absence went unnoticed until police were finally called. Why did it take so long? Was it mere negligence, or was someone deliberately delaying the discovery of his body? Over the years, countless theories have surfaced. Some suggest it was a professional hit, carefully staged to look like an accident. Others believe Gareth's death was connected to the shadowy world of cyber warfare and surveillance, a world where powerful nations constantly battle for control of secrets. There are even those who whisper that the truth about his death is known, but buried deep within the corridors of intelligence agencies, hidden away from the public forever. The official investigation concluded that Gareth's death was unnatural and likely criminal. Yet, to this day, no one has been charged, and no definitive answers have been found. His family has been left with nothing but questions, and the world is left wondering, who killed Gareth Williams? And why was his life ended in such a strange, chilling way? The case of the spy in the bag remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time. Was it an accident, a twisted game gone wrong, or a perfectly executed assassination that will forever remain in the shadows? Perhaps we may never know. But one thing is certain, the red bag in that London flat holds a secret that the world is still trying to unlock.